Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Blender is the version you expect and that you have an image ready. Open Blender, go to Edit Preferences, and keep the Preferences window visible. This speeds the process. Next, prepare a PNG at 1920x1080 or another 16:9 ratio. Transparency is optional but useful for overlays. Make sure you know your operating system's config path. Once done, you'll open Blender's Scripts and Templates folders to apply the change. You now locate the actual Splash resource. On many installs, it's called Splash, PNG, or embedded in Splash. Blend inside the Scripts/Templates folder. First, make a backup of the original copy and rename it Splash Backup, PNG, so you can revert. Then overwrite the original with your prepared PNG, preserving the exact file name and the 1920x1080 dimensions. Blender expects that. After replacing, clear Blender's cache or restart the application. You finish by restarting Blender to verify the new splash screen appears. If it does not show, make sure the file name, file format, and exact dimensions match what Blender expects, and confirm file permissions allow reading. Sometimes a permission block prevents loading. Also check whether the splash is embedded in Splash. Blend, then edit that file instead. If problems persist, revert to your backup and retry with a smaller, simpler PNG. That pinpoints whether the image or the path is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.